Hello and welcome back. So how do we implement BlankZero? So there is two technique for it. So yeah, I've created this particular report, and if I go into the expression field of it, so there is code.BlankZero. This is what we can use this function, and that's just the native function. And next thing is what we can do is if we have a numerical field that we want to do a 0 to, you can just use the text box properties, go to number, and in the number we can reduce the decimal sizes as well. Or and another thing is you can do so 0 as blank or hyphen, whatever you want to do it. But I'll just use this one, and then you build it, save it, build it, publish it, and if you go to the report, you will see something like this. So where like the two fields are blank, and if there is a number, then we will see it as a number, but the blanks will appear, the 0 will appear as a blank in this field. I have not done it, so that's why it's not appearing. So that's it for this video. Take care. Thank you.